from the Summit on Legal Innovation and Disruption East 2018, the Legal Tech Showcase in New York City. I'm Abby Rosenbloom.
I'm Alia Luria.
Mike Faraci.
Jay Leib.
George Tziahanas.
Jim Delkousis.
Basha Rubin.
And we're on the road with Legal Talk Network. And we're back. Thank you so much for joining us on the road. It's a pleasure to be here. Today we're talking about the Legal Technology Showcase that you all just participated in. So I guess my first question to everybody is just very briefly who you are, what your company, what your name of your company, and the problem that your company solves.
I'm Alia Luria, and I'm the COO and co-founder of InFront Compliance. And our company helps businesses and their vendors get to contract faster without sacrificing compliance.
I'm Mike Faraci. I'm the co-founder of Vista Analytics. Spent several decades running complex disputes for major corporations and law firms, and we are providing machine learning solutions in the cloud to further streamline those kinds of complex litigation.
I am Jay Leib. I'm the CEO of NexLP. We're an artificial intelligence company. We focus on e-discovery, investigations, and compliance. We help corporations and law firms use artificial intelligence to reduce risk and spend.
I'm George Tziahanas. I'm the U.S. Managing Director for Luminance. Luminance is the leading artificial intelligence platform for the legal profession. We use the latest in machine learning and artificial intelligence to help lawyers address issues and move through due diligence, contract analytics and compliance, and discovery.
Hi, my name's Jim Delkousis. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called PERSUIT. And PERSUIT is an AFA platform that enables in-house counsel teams to source competitively priced and certain pricing from their law firms of choice for all of their external counsel engagement requirements.
I'm Basha Rubin, CEO and co-founder of Priori. Priori helps legal teams reduce their outside counsel spending using a data and technology-driven global marketplace to help in-house teams find, hire, and manage top attorneys.
Okay, so everybody, I guess another question. Tell me what it felt like to be up there today presenting to the corporate counsel and law counsel.
Well, this was a great experience. We InFront Compliance just finished pitching for our demo day, so it was great to come here and talk specifically to our tribe, which is other lawyers. And so it was excellent, and I really think that particularly the in-house counsel were interested to hear what we had to say.
I really enjoyed the format. It's great to be in front of both in-house counsel and outside counsel. It's always interesting for us because the way we provide services, it's a slightly different slant to each category of people. And the fact that we do solution-based machine learning is really helpful for us to be able to talk to both different kinds of categories.
Being a startup since 2014, we've presented at many different demo days, different kind of Techstar events. And what was great about this format is we got immediate feedback, meaning that it was interactive. We had people come and talk to us afterwards, unlike typical presentations where no one comes and talks to you afterwards.
Yeah, we liked the format a lot. It was great to speak to a lot of people. It was really nice to be able to take what is for a lot of people a myth around AI and machine learning and explain it's not just hype, that people actually do use it, it's repeatable, and talk a little bit about how we've actually seen it applied with our clients.
I think what's great is that each one of us has a vision of what the future looks like in the area or the problem that we're seeking to solve, and to be able to communicate that to an audience that's eager to listen, that's a fantastic opportunity. And one that I'd like to see more and more often. So it's a great platform for companies in our space.
This was extremely refreshing. The ability to speak to a group of in-house counsel and people who are thinking creatively about the future of the legal profession for 5 minutes, uninterrupted, with no visual distractions, was a tremendous opportunity and something that has been extremely rare in my experience.
So my last question is, tell me what you thought about this speed dating. We did 3 rounds of speed dating. Is that a great forum, being spoken, having to speak with so many people at once?
Well, we didn't actually have that many people come to our table, but the people who did were really focused and really interested, and we had very substantive discussions with them. So I think for us, actually, the speed dating, although we didn't get exposed to a massive amount of people, we got exposed to very quality contacts, and that was excellent. So.
Yeah, I agree. I think the people who came to talk to us had very specific problems in mind that they wanted to pick our brain and figure out how we would go about solving it, and we really thrive in that kind of environment. Since we're not really product-based, we're not in there trying to tell people what they should be doing. We really perform at our best when we hear complex problems from people and come up with creative ways to solve them.
Yeah, as an artificial intelligence company, typically you hear companies fall in two camps. Either A, they're true believers, they really believe in artificial intelligence, and they want to talk about it, or B, they're very skeptical and they want to argue about it. Which is nice about this format is that we're able to have a great discussion between both groups simultaneously.
Yeah, I thought the group was great, or the groups were great that we spoke with, because sometimes a person was able to ask a question another person had not even thought about. And so that's the kind of thing that it's nice where you have that cross communication between parties and people from different points of view and different backgrounds.
Yeah, I think the speed dating format is fantastic because it's a match. You've let the audience know the problem that you're solving, and that audience has come to you and wants to know more. So again, it's a great format.
It was so effective. You'd been able to whet the audience's appetite with the 5-minute speech. They had intelligent questions. They were qualified potential purchasers, and you could really dig into the meat of the issue right away.
Before we close it out for today, I have one last question for you. If our listeners would like to follow up, how can they reach you?
You can reach me at alia@infrontcompliance.com or just visit our website at infrontcompliance.com. And my name is Alia, so alia@infrontcompliance.com.
The easiest way is just to contact us through our website, which is www.vista-analytics.com.
We are NexLP, NEXLP.com. You can find us on Twitter, LinkedIn, or sales@nexlp.com.
Through our website is best, luminance.com, or directly at george@luminance.com.
Yes, and if you want to know more about Pursuit, just email me direct. It's jim@pursuit, PERSUIT.com, and I'll be sure to get back to you.
You can find us at www.priori.com. That's www.priori.com. Or you could reach out to me directly at Basha, that's BASHA, @priori.com.
Well, we've reached the end of the road for today's episode. I want to thank our guests for joining us today. We also want to thank our listeners for tuning in. If you like what you heard today, please rate us in Apple Podcasts. We'll see you next time for another episode of On the Road with Legal Talk Network.
If you'd like more information about what you've heard today, please visit LegalTalkNetwork.com. Subscribe via iTunes and RSS. Find us on Twitter and Facebook, or download our free Legal Talk Network app in Google Play and iTunes. The views expressed by the participants of this program are their own and do not represent the views of, nor are they endorsed by, Legal Talk Network, its officers, directors, employees, agents, representatives, shareholders, and subsidiaries. None of the content should be considered legal advice. As always, consult a lawyer.